Today we'll be making nachos. We'll start off with making the salsa. All you need is 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, deseed them, 1 to 2 teaspoons of jalapeno. You can obviously add more just depending on how hot you would like it. 2 teaspoons of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to your own personal taste. And then you just mix it all up. Next, I make a simple avocado dip. All you'll need is 1 avocado mashed up, some lemon juice, and some salt and pepper to taste. Now for my favorite part, layering the nachos. The chip I'm using is a simple nacho chip. If you can't find these, you can use any corn-style chip. The cheese I'm using is cheddar cheese with mozzarella, about 2 cups. Let's start the layering. I like to put cheese on each nacho chip. It just tastes better. Now for the final layer, you can cover it with as much cheese as you would like. Now let's pop it into the oven. Place the nachos in the oven at 200 degrees. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until your cheese is melted. Now the nachos are ready to serve.